Hey everybody, I am Quentin Overacker, Director of Admissions, Records, and Transfer Services at IVCC.
Hi, everyone. My name is Azrat Loveland, and I serve as the Assistant Director for Admissions, Records, and Transfer Services.
And what are we going to talk about today, Azrat?
We're going to learn what the application is all about, and I'm hoping that you can answer some questions for our students because sometimes the application can be tricky, but we want to make sure that students are aware that one, it's free, and two, it literally takes a couple of minutes to just get it done.
All right, yeah, so that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to share my screen, which I thought I was sharing a moment ago, but it turns out I wasn't. So I am going to share that. So to find the application, you are going to go to www.ivcc.edu. And over here on the right, in big letters, you're going to click Apply. This is going to direct you directly to our application. So what you'll find is at the start, it's a lot of demographic information. So you're going to go through, you're going to fill all that out. All of the asterisks are required. Phone and email, you want to put your cell phone. If you don't have a landline, that's okay. Cell phone is the most important thing because that's where you're going to get our emergency alerts. Email is the same thing. Person to contact. These are a lot of questions that were required by the state of Illinois, so you can kind of go through and fill those out. More demographic questions. And then you're going to get to the actual term start dates and what you're going to do here. So if you're starting in the summer, you can click that. And then intended academic program.
So this is where it gets tricky, right? So what do I pick? I'm not sure if I do want to transfer, but if I do, what does that all mean?
Yeah, so the easiest way to think about it is, do you think you'll end up with a 4-year degree? If you think you'll attend IVCC and then go to a 4-year school to graduate with a bachelor's, you're going to want to select transfer. In that case, you're going to want to select any of the options below and select your major. If you're not going to transfer on to a 4-year school, so if you're going to take courses here at IVCC and go straight to work, then you're going to have between these two non-transfer options, associate in applied science or certificate. And so that's where you're going to select the specific one as well. So as I said, transfer means you'll probably end up at a 4-year school. Non-transfer means you're going to go straight to work after IVCC. So you walk through those, you go through the rest of these about your high school educational background, other colleges, then your education goals, and then you're going to click submit. And if you miss stuff, it's going to give you that error message.
Cool. So I've submitted that. What happens next? Are students expected to check an email? Do they need to contact a counselor?
Yeah, so what's going to happen next is once we import your application, you are going to receive an email, an acceptance email, and an acceptance letter from us. And what that email is going to look like is over here. So it's going to have your student ID and K number. These are two really important pieces of information that are going to allow you to get into your technology at IVCC, your email, stuff like that, and then instructions for the rest of the information on there.
So why would I need a student ID number and a K number?
Yeah, so to set up your student email, you're going to need your student ID number and your K number. To set up your web advisor account, which is how you register for classes with us, you're going to need that same information, and then utilizing any of our services.
And when should I apply? I know some students might be thinking, I probably should have applied. It's too late, or can they apply now?
They can apply now, and what I would definitely recommend is apply as early as you're thinking about it. So there's really no sense in waiting. It's good to get into the communication pipeline so that you know what your options are.
Sweet. Thank you.
Yeah, it's just that easy. So.
Oh, that's good.